This meeting for the property owners around this area, the Africa Unity Square area, so that we can look at how we can beautify the area. We had asked Old Mutual to be here as well. They are going to come. Julius OK is here. Dadfest is here. They've bought property. And in any event, they are coming from a bank. Probably most of the property owners around here are also their clients in one way or the other. So we believe that we need to beautify this area and find a way of dealing with the issues that are affecting this area. We have the rank at 4th Street. We need to find a way of modernizing it and containing its effects. We have the creep of the vendors along Speak, along 3rd Street, in front of OK. We also need to be able to deal with that. We need, of course, we have the urgent business of beautifying Africa Unity Square, which we need to beautify not only for the SADC Summit, but beyond. A lot of work, and then we also have issues of parking that needs to be sorted out. That's why we've brought city parking, so that we can see how we can allocate the parking bays for the guests and so forth, and also how we deal with the commuter omnibus illegal ranks that have come up. So we appreciate the work that has been done by Hyatt. They have put in work on the Africa Unity Square, the frontage of their shop, the beautiful modern frontage, and the work on the pavement. It's greatly appreciated, and we would like to see if the other property owners can emulate that, and also to modernize the buildings, because we need to modernize the buildings around Africa Unity Square.